How to buy options on Robinhood mobile app. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can buy options on Robinhood mobile app. Now then, to begin with the procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up your Robinhood application. Once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now first of all, it's going to ask you to sign in. So once you're signed in, then it's going to take you to this page. Now before you do any transaction or any trading process, make sure that your account is verified. After that, you need to go to the profile icon located right at the bottom, and then scroll down a bit. You'll be able to find multiple options. So under it, go ahead and tap on options, and from there tap the search bar and locate what you actually want to trade. So in my case, I'm going to go with the crypto or Bitcoin, let's say that. Once you locate Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin or whatsoever, and then it's going to take you to their summary page. Right over here, you'll need to select whether you want to send, receive, or buy. And in my case, I don't have a buy option. That's because I don't happen to have any funds on my account, and my account is also not verified. But if you fulfilled all of these criteria, then you'll be able to find an option as buy and all sort of things. So you have to tap on it. If you want to buy, then go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy. Next, you have to link your bank account also for the payment source and confirm your order. That's how you can buy options on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.